At the same time, we have had very strong investor confidence. We were talking, DG and I were talking to some representatives of, let's say, diplomatic corps. This diplomat said, and I quote, they are seeing unprecedented interest from their investors in Kenya.
Nĩ ciugo cia gavana wa bengi nene ya Kenya Patrick Njoroge akionania mwĩhoko wa riri wa wonjoria gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ makĩria thutha wa murugamiriri munene wa bengi ya JP Morgan kuonania wendi wao wa kwamba hema gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
Well, so we have planned, we didn't announce in this thing, but if you look at what we've been doing consistently over years is we've added kind of corporate bankers. Eventually we're going to start adding countries overseas. We've stopped, because of the crisis and the regulatory issues. Eventually you're going to see us open in the countries we're not in, mostly in Africa. And so we want to expand those services. Remember, we go there, we serve the country, we serve all the U.S. multinationals going in, we serve their sovereign wealth funds, their universities, their power plants. So we do want to do that. So you're going to see that. You'll be hearing about some of that stuff down the road.
Can we name one of those countries now, biggest, most notable country you're not active in where you'd like to be?
Oh, no, two different things. We're active in some of those countries, but we don't have
different ways.
We're not on the ground with licenses.
So in that respect, then,
Ghana, Kenya.
That's where you'll be.
Yeah.
Murugamiriri munene wa bengi ya JP Morgan anĩrĩirie ũhoro ũyũ kiumia kĩmwe tu thutha wa bengi ĩno kũrugũria mũbango wayo wa kuonjorithia $20 bilioni. Ũhoro ũyũ ũkĩte o rĩrĩ bengi ya SBM Holdings kuma bũrũri wa Mauritius ĩyũkĩtie motungata ma bengi ya Commercial Bank na Chase Bank iria irakoretwo igĩtera hathara nene. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV njĩtagwo Njenga wa Wambui.